I'm Sergeant Mansoor from APIIT Law School and I'm graduating with an LLB honours. APIIT is one of those institutions that tries to give its students the best it can always offer. For example, when I was doing my LLB, we were always given the chance to not just focus on our classroom education, but also to get a practical experience with modules like work experience, law in practice, and also court visits, parliament visits, and things of that nature. We were always exposed to the field. APIIT also offers a lot of different extracurricular activities like mooting, debating, negotiation, mediation, etc. This always helps us sharpen our legal skills and be ready for the challenges we're going to face in the field. APIIT Law School has played a major role in improving my communication skills and analytical skills, which are very important in the courtroom. As I mentioned earlier, APIIT always gives its students various opportunities. And if you're someone that's considering joining APIIT or you're in APIIT already, one thing I would say to anyone that is considering joining APIIT or is already in APIIT is to take every opportunity you get. Because every opportunity is a chance to learn something new. The faculty as well as the management at APIIT is very friendly and very supportive, so they'll be there to guide you throughout. I'm very thankful to APIIT for making me who I am and for helping me improve my skills. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all of the faculty members, the management, my friends who played a major role in who I am today and who made APIIT a very enjoyable place for me. Thank you, APIIT, and thank you to everyone that was a part of my life.